Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. I am a lymphedema and cancer physical therapist. Today in this video, we're gonna go step by step on how to apply kinesiology tape to a foot and an ankle for swelling and lymphedema. Before we begin, make sure that you subscribe down below for weekly new videos. You can also follow along with us on Instagram, and you can check out our website for more resources. Now, in my professional opinion, kinesiology tape is a great tool, but it does not replace the benefits that a compression stocking or a compression garment can give for someone who has moderate to severe lymphedema. However, kinesiology tape can be a great tool if someone has more mild swelling, just general swelling, maybe after an injury, or just day-to-day swelling, or if someone has any aching or pain. So what are we going to need for this? You're going to need a roll of kinesiology tape. You can also get it in pre-cut strips like this one. I personally prefer the roll because I will use various lengths throughout this process, and so I will be able to cut what size I want. But either way works, and you'll also need a pair of scissors to cut the tape. You also want to make sure that your skin is dry and free of any lotions or oils to the area so the tape sticks well. You also never want to do kinesiology tape or use kinesiology tape over an area that has any inflamed, irritated, or open wounds or skin breakdown. And you don't want to do or use kinesiology tape over an area that has any active cancer. Kinesiology tape will be applied directly to the skin. It can stay on for up to 3 to 5 days. However, it does start to wear off over time. So if you want to shower or bathe, you can with the tape on. Just make sure that you pat dry it after and rather than rubbing, so you can help the tape stay on a little bit longer. Kinesiology tape is gentle on the skin, but you always want to make sure that you do a test site first to make sure that your skin doesn't have any negative reactions or you have an allergic reaction to the adhesives. So how does kinesiology tape actually work for swelling? Well, when the tape is put on the skin in a specific way, it will actually lift up the skin. So between the skin and the tissues below, there'll be some more space there. And that space will cause a change in the pressure gradient in the area. And that will cause that fluid to move into the lymphatic vessels and then move out of the area, which will decrease the swelling. So get your kinesiology tape and your scissors ready, and we'll get started. Okay, so we're going to work to apply the tape to the foot and ankle for ankle swelling or lymphedema. You have the two options. You have either the roll that you can cut and decide your own length, or you can have the pre-cut strips, which are really easy to find. Again, I will put all of these links in the description box down below to find which kind you're looking for. Now for the foot and ankle, the pre-cut strips may work well. They're a little long for some people, but if you want really full coverage or you have a lot of swelling up higher in the ankle, they actually would work really well. So for this video, I'm just going to show with the pre-cut strips. If you don't have them, what you'll do is you'll just measure from about where, an inch or two above where the swelling starts down to about an inch or two below, above where the toes are. And that you'll cut that. You can cut 2 pieces of that. So for the pre-cut strips, they actually already have rounded edges. So if you don't have the pre-cut, you just have the regular, you want to just cut and trim around the corners to round them out so that they stick a little bit better. They don't catch on everything. So we don't have to do that piece. But what we have to do now is cut them into 4 equal strips. We want to leave about 1 inch or so at the end. So I'm going to cut straight down the middle, all the way the length of the tape, leaving about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches or so at the end. And then I'm going to take these 2 strips and cut them into half from there. And then 1 more. So then we have 4 equal strips with that 1 inch or so anchor. Then we want to round out the other edges, again, so they'll stay longer. So you can either cut one at a time and just round them out, or what I do to speed it up is to just cut others at the same time. So I'll just stack them on top of each other on the ends as much as equal as possible, and then just trim the corners. You can only do a few at a time, otherwise it gets too thick, but if you just have a couple, that works. And then there's our first strip that is prepped and ready to be used. So I'm gonna go ahead quick and prep the other strip. Okay, so now I have my two pieces that are prepped and ready to be used. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply them to the ankle and the foot. So what we want to do is we want to have the strip start above the ankle, definitely where you're swollen. So a lot of people, if they've had an ankle sprain or just edema in general, they don't just stop right at the ankle joint. The swelling goes higher. So we want to start these strips above that area. If you need a longer strip, you could cut a longer strip, or you can follow along with my video on how to do or how to apply kinesiology tape to the full leg, and you can follow along and add that lower leg piece too with that. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to start with one strip. First what we're going to do is tear back the paper backing, and then we're going to peel that back and off. I'm going to start more on the outside of the ankle, and I'll start more on the top side. I'm going to start a little bit higher because these strips are a little longer. I'm going to place that down, and then I'm going to rub that in, because rubbing the warmth is what activates the adhesives. Okay, so then we have our 4 strips hanging off. Well, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to start with the outside strip and I'm going to peel that back, leaving about an inch or so at the end because we don't want tension on that piece. From there, I'm going to keep my ankle pretty bent, okay, but I'm going to have just a slight tension on this tape. We don't need to pull as hard as we can. We just want an ever so slight tension. Most people with lymphedema swell behind that bone, the malleoli bone. So I'm going to put my first strip behind and curve around and then come across the foot from there. That'll just make sure that I get that area that gets swollen pretty easily. And then we'll do a second strip. Same thing, a little bit of tension. And then across. You just follow whatever area is swollen. Okay. And then third. There's no specific pattern. You just go to the areas that are swollen and try to get as much surface area as possible in coverage. And then the last strip. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back and rub it all in to make sure all the tape sticks well. Okay, and then those pieces out of the way, we'll take the other strip and we're going to put it on the outside of the ankle. So I'm going to tear back that paper tab, peel it away, and then I'm going to start at the same height just on the outer side. So start a little bit higher. And then I'm going to rub that in. Okay, and then same thing, we're going to do one at a time from there. So I'll start with this bottom piece, leave an inch at the end so there's no tension there. And then we'll follow it down behind that bone. And then no tension on that last part, let it lay down flat. And then we'll do the second piece. Now I know this is an awkward position to do it in. I'm just trying to make it so it's easier to see for the camera, but little tension. And then follow that up. And then the last two. And then we've got one more. And lay that down. And then when we've got it all, we're going to go back and rub it all in. Just be really careful on the edges to make sure you don't rub them upwards or peel them back. And that is a quick way on how to apply kinesiology tape to the foot and the ankle that is swollen. Now it looks kind of crazy, but it's really ideal to do 2 different strips like that to get as much full coverage as possible. Some people can just do one if they just have a certain area or certain inside or outside. If someone sprained their ankle, they can go straight over the outside of the ankle and around the back side is needed. It's just wherever you may need it. But that should give you an idea on how to prep the tape, how to make sure it's measured correctly, how to have the edges rounded, and then the direction to apply it in with the right amount of tension, and then making sure that you don't have tension on that last little inch of each strip so that it doesn't roll up as easily. But again, if you're looking for other videos on different types of application for kinesiology tape to other parts of the body, be sure to check out my playlist. But other than that, I hope you all found this video helpful, and we'll see you all next week in another video. Thanks, everyone.